Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and in this model it doesn't really matter if we will be on the photo or the video mode because the options are in one place for both modes, of course. So let's open the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see, in the second position we've got a whole video section, and on the very first position we've got the video resolution. So let's tap, and as you can see here we've got 5 different options from which we can choose. 2 of them are with the ratio 16:9. 3 of them are with ratio 16:9. 1 is 21:9, and 1 is full screen. There are differences in this second parameter. 3 of them have 1080p, 1 4K, and 1 720p. So basically, all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let's pretend I want to use 4K, just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied right here, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. What's more, we've got under the resolution, we've got the frame rate, which is the option tightly connected to the resolution. Let's tap on it. And basically here we've got 2 different options. We've got 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. It's up to you, of course. You can set 60 frames per second. So basically this is how to change the resolution according to your needs, but I highly recommend to use this option 16:9 with 1080p, which is also recommended by the developer. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.